Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the console safe and accessible. Remove power and any external drives and ground yourself. Electrostatic discharge can damage boards. Once done, flip the Series S and peel the rubber feet. Those hide for T8 Torx security screws you must remove. Use a proper T8 Torx security driver. Make sure the driver is seated so you don't strip the screw heads. After screws are out, work a plastic spudger along the seam and gently pry the rear cover away to expose the internal shield. Once the outer cover is off, you'll see the metal shielding and ribbon cables. Start by unscrewing the shield screws and lift the shield evenly. Forcing one side can bend it. Next, identify and label each cable, fan, power board, front I/O, so reassembly is straightforward. Carefully release ribbon connectors by flipping their latches. Do not pull on the cable itself. If you need to remove the NVMe bracket, unscrew it and slide the drive out at a shallow angle to avoid damaging the slot. To finish, remove the heatsink screws in a star pattern to prevent warping, then lift the heatsink straight up. Inspect and, if needed, replace thermal pads or paste. Poor thermal contact causes throttling. When reassembling, reseat every connector and run a quick power test before snapping the case closed. If the console won't power, check the main fuse and look for cold solder joints or lifted traces. Those are common culprits. If you see stripped screws or damaged connectors, replace them before final assembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.